What's up, guys? This is Diego here. Guys, I have something very special to show you today. It just came in literally 10 minutes ago. So first of all, I want a big thanks to Goosky, Heli Direct, Radio Master, Bob Watson. I have all the electronics here. So let's open the box and see what's inside. You can come closer now. So what do we have here? We have a landing gear, a blade holder, we got some battery straps. Let's see. Come on. Get closer. Let's see. It looks blue, guys. Oh yes. This is a beautiful canopy. It's actually quite thick, very rigid, very nice canopy. It comes with a quick release magnet in the back. Very nice canopy. Okay, let's put this on the ground and let's check here. I got some battery trays. And a motor mount with a pinion. And let's take a look here. So much tape. And got mine here too. I think I need to sharpen my scissors. Oh my God, here we have it, guys. The one and only brand new Goosky RS5. That thing is gorgeous. Very nice. Very nice. What do we have? 5-6 millimeter tail shaft. We have a 12 millimeter main shaft. Nice. This is very nice, very slick. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to get to work and get this baby ready. Alright guys, this is Diego here again. And guys, I am already working on the heli. I'm installing the theta servos. I'm running low profile. And I have my programming box here. I'm doing the centering. And guys, I want to point out this heli here, you have the option to run mini or full-size servos without any extra parts. If you can see here, you got two little holes, and behind here there are two little ones. So if you want to run minis or full-size, I decided to go with the low profiles. Another thing, guys, ball lengths is 5 millimeters, the same as the RS7, so you can share the balls and the plastic piece. So it's very strong, very strong. And also comes with a 12 millimeter main shaft and a 6 millimeter tail shaft. So yeah guys, I'm super excited. I'm gonna try see if I can get this thing ready today. Good morning everyone. So as you guys know, I got my RS5 delivery yesterday, literally less than 24 hours. So I put all the electronics last night, so we're ready to do the Maiden. So mind you guys, I'm in my backyard, so it is quite tight here. So I'm just gonna do a nice and gentle flight, make sure that everything is okay, and yeah, let's give it a try. Okay, are we ready? I got my head speed set quite low. I think I got bank 1 1900 and bank 2 2200. It is very smooth, very quiet. Trucking perfect. Let's bump it up to 2200. And she's flying very nice. She's moving fast. Oh boy guys, I'm shaking. I can't wait to take this to the field. It is super smooth. 1900. Super crisp. Okay, let's not freak out the neighbors. It's quite early morning. But yeah guys, it is flying super nice. This is my maiden flight. Yeah, I can't wait to take it to the field and open it up and do some fine tuning. But she is a beauty.